Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing how to make this bars shake effect. Yeah, so what you have to do is to come to your Premiere Pro, you open it. This is our first clip and this is our second clip. Yep. So what you have to do is to create an adjustment layer. To create an adjustment layer, you right click, you see new item, adjustment layer. Okay, then you drag and you drop your adjustment layer here. So the next thing after dragging and dropping your adjustment layer is to come to this effect and look for directional blur. So now I don't know the particular version of Premiere Pro you're using, but yeah, don't take the directional blur that is on video transition. Just look for the directional blur that is in video effects. Yeah, this is it. So this is the directional blur, and you add your directional blur to the adjustment layer. So once you added your directional blur to the adjustment layer, you come to your effect controls here. And yeah, this is your directional blur. You look for your directional blur, then come to blur length, and yeah, you can increase it to like 30 will do. Yep. So once you've added the directional blur effect, like increased it to 30, you look for the particular place you want the bars to hit. Let's see, I need it somewhere here. So what I have to do is to make a cut here. You have to expand this a bit. Let's expand this a bit because we need to move like one frame ahead to make a cut. So you make another cut here, you go one frame again, you make another cut here, you go one frame again, you make another cut here, you go one frame, cut, then you go to another frame again, then you cut. All right, so let's delete what we don't need. Delete this and this. So yeah, and we actually need to delete some again that we don't need. Like we need to delete in between some of the adjustment layers, some of the effects. Come here, you delete this, and you delete this. So all right, let's check it out, what we've created. Yeah, you can see the boom. Yeah, yeah, you can actually drag and drop it. I need the effect somewhere here again, so what I have to do is to mark this area. You can press M, like letter M, yeah, in your keyboard to mark here. This will show. You go and copy, you highlight this, this adjustment layer, you hold Alt. Once you hold Alt, you drag to that place you've marked. Yeah, this is it. This is the place you've marked. You can drop it here. So yeah, this is just to duplicate it. And if you feel the effect is too short for the kind of sound here, you can actually duplicate it and make it longer, or while you were cutting, you can actually like cut more. Yeah, so just let it in, see it. That's what we're trying to create. Yep. Thank you very much for watching and subscribe.